Let's lie down onto our backs. Once you get there, draw your knees into your chest. Hug yourself. Take your right foot to the ground and reach behind the left hamstring, taking the leg as far away from you as you need to straighten that left leg up to the sky. And then slowly point the foot and then flex and then point and flex, point and flex. Choose if you want it deeper to straighten the right leg. Choose to go a little deeper by reaching your outer left hip away from your left shoulder. And keep your shoulders broad. Bend your right knee. Take your hand to the outside of the right knee, roll onto your right outer hip, twist. Inhale back to center. And release the leg down. Other side, right knee into chest. So all of these actions gentle, going slowly. So bend the left knee. Let's make it a little easier. Then hands to the right hamstring. Straighten the right leg, whatever that takes for you to do. Lift up on the right kneecap so you're not hyperextending. Right outer hip reaching forward towards the bottom of your mat. Let's point and flex the foot first. Point, flex, point, flex. One more. Point, flex. Now maybe you want to straighten that left leg. If it's too intense, keep the leg bent. Bend the right knee and twist. Roll onto the left outer hip. Right shoulder moves towards the floor. You can turn your gaze to the right. If turning your head to the right doesn't feel good, then, well, clearly don't do it. Inhale back to center. Right knee into chest. Left knee into chest. Feet to the floor. Supta Baddha Konasana. Bring the soles of your feet together, knees open. Hands to the outsides of your legs. Draw your legs together and straighten your legs, preparing for Shavasana. Stay here as long as you like. For now, thank you so much for joining me, and I can't wait to hear how this practice worked for you. Namaste.